Welcome! In this video, we are going to learn how to graph inequalities on a number line. We will focus specifically on understanding the difference between open and closed circles and which way to shade the line. First, let's review the 4 inequality symbols. On the left, we have less than and greater than. These are called strict inequalities because they do not include the number itself. On the right, we have less than or equal to and greater than or equal to. These are inclusive, meaning the number is part of the solution. This is the number line. It's a visual way to show all real numbers. We have 0 in the middle, positive numbers to the right, and negative numbers to the left. We will draw our solutions directly on this line. When graphing an inequality, you only need to make 2 key decisions. First, what type of circle goes on the number? Is it open or closed? And second, which direction does the arrow point, left or right? Let's start with open circles. You use an open circle for strict inequalities, like less than or greater than. The open center tells us that the number itself is not included in the answer. It's like a boundary line you can get close to, but cannot touch. Next are closed circles. We use these for inclusive inequalities, the ones with the or equal to line underneath. A solid, filled-in circle means the number is included in the solution. Now, which way do we draw the arrow? If the variable is on the left side, the inequality symbol actually points the way. Less than points to the left, towards the negative numbers. Greater than points to the right, towards the positive numbers. Let's try an example. X is less than 3. First, the symbol is strictly less than, so we use an open circle at positive 3. Second, it's less than, so we shade to the left. Any number to the left of 3 is a correct answer. Here is another one. X is greater than or equal to negative 2. Because it has the or equal to line, we use a closed circle at negative 2. Since it is greater than, we shade to the right. Here is a quick summary to help you remember. Less than and greater than use open circles. Less than or equal to and greater than or equal to use closed circles. Just remember to look at the symbol to know which way to shade.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.